finally, we have the sneakers I've been waiting almost a whole month for, man. What's going on, YouTube? This is your boy, The Vintage Man. We are back with another one today. We have an unboxing from a pair of sneakers I released last month. I think they released 2 separate times. This is during the whole Nike pushbacks, the Yeezy pushbacks and stuff like that. We finally have them in. Shouts out to my boy, Keep Pushing Kicks, man. He helped me out, assisted me with getting me these joints at his local sneaker boutique, and he got them for me for only $250, of course, plus the shipping. So shouts out to you, big bro. Thanks for looking out for me, man. I took an L on these joints. I really wanted this sneaker. You guys see my enthusiasm during a live cop, but I couldn't cop on neither one of the days. You guys should already know what they are. If you want to guess right now before we get into this unboxing, man, let me know right now down below in the comment section, man. If you're new to the channel, right now what you guys do is subscribe right now to the channel, ring the notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video, live stream, or anything that drops on the channel. We will be going live for the Air Jordan 12 University Golds and the Grateful Dead SBs, along with the Off-White 4s on Saturday. So make sure that notification bell is on. Pull up, join the live cop, man. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of interaction with the Vintage Gang, you know what I'm saying? So if you have any questions, pull up on the live stream, and you can let me know some questions down below right now in the comment section, man. And take advantage of the Yeezy giveaway, man. The rules will be down below. I have a community post where you guys got to put your Instagram name, answer all the rules. All you got to do is be subscribed to this channel. Be subscribed to my second gaming channel, man, which will be linked down below, and follow me over on Instagram, man. And once we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving out a pair away, man. We can get there super fast. So the faster we get to 1,000 subs, the faster I'm gonna give you guys another pair of free sneakers, man. So like I said, with all that being said, let's get into this unboxing. So you guys, these came out June the 28th, I think it was, my daughter's birthday. I'm not too sure. And I paid for 2-day shipping, 2-day priority shipping with USPS. But bro, I don't know what's been going on with shipping, man. A package of mine got lost in transit to somebody else. So I had to file for the insurance. It was like $100 they're gonna give me back. But man, USPS has been slacking, bro. So it's not just all on like StockX. It's not just on, you know what I'm saying, the person sending you the sneakers. It sometimes fall on the shipping carriers as well, man. So let's go ahead and get it out. He got these from Tops and Bottoms. If you guys know where this is at in Chicago, you guys probably already know what this is. Tops and Bottoms are here, as you can see. They go to their Facebook, their IG, and their Twitter. So let's go ahead and pull this out the bag, man. The bag is pretty dope, bro. The bag is pretty dope, I must say. Nothing else on the inside of the box. And yeah, I like this bag, man. Something my wife probably gonna use to get groceries or something like that. But you see right here, man, we got the red box. You guys should already know what they are. Let's pull these joints out real quick. See the receipt in here. Got the receipt right here, boom, boom. But all red box, check it out. You know what I'm saying? This came with like all the Fearless pack, and it came with this sneaker too, man. So let's get the official size and colorway and all that good stuff. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG. Official colorway is white, black, and Aurora green. This is a size 10 in women's, which is a size 8.5, and men, which I can swing, you feel me? So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. Drum roll, Vintage Squad. Let's get into it, and let's go ahead and get into them real quick. And bam, man, there you have them, the Air Jordan 1 women's tie-dyes, man. Finally came. I've waited literally almost a whole month now, you feel me? And I paid for 2-day priority shipping. It's crazy, man. I finally have them though, and they clean, bro. They are what I expected. These are what I wanted for the longest, and now we finally have them, bro. Like, all the hype behind this shoe, all the talk around this shoe is pretty much gone. But of course, I want to show you guys what I picked up. And this happened to be a delayed W, but I bought the shoe a whole month ago. So you guys already know how that goes, man. You guys know how that goes. But here you have it. Boom, boom. Aurora green on the upper right here. As you can see, you got that black leather swoosh. Got the Black Wings logo, all that good stuff. And now Aurora green, or that tie-dye vibe going around the whole sneaker, which is crazy to me, man. Again, shouts out to Keep Pushing Kicks. Check out his card right here. Boom, boom. Thanks for shopping. He really looked out for your boy, man, and gave me this super steal for these tie-dyes. And the tie-dyes, I feel like these are going to go up very soon. Every Air Jordan 1 goes up. But we've seen in the past those Air Jordan 1 women's satin black toes. Those are like $1,000 for like a size 9 and men. and they dropped all the way down to like $600. You could probably find some on StockX or GOAT. So we might see these things, you know what I'm saying, shoot up because they are kind of low right now, sitting around $300 in that size 8 through size 9.5 in men's. But who knows nowadays, you feel me? Literally everything has been selling out, but like some of the resale prices on some sneakers that we probably will see, you know what I'm saying, be a little bit higher are pretty low nowadays, man. Even the Yeezy Zions, they're only going for like $300 in the size 9, which usually is the money sizes in those V2 350s. It's super hard to gauge the market nowadays. Like I said, those Yeezys, these right here not going for that much, along with a couple other sneakers, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull both of them out of the box real quick. And yeah, man, I'm super happy I finally got them. I paid for these joints in June, and it is now what, July 21st or the 22nd, one of the two, and I just now am getting them, man. Like I said, all the hype, all the anticipation, me really wanting this sneaker is probably a little faded away now. It's gonna be another sneaker add to the collection, I feel like. But like I said, man, I'm glad I got them finally, man. Check it out. I'm giving you guys some dope B-roll over the sneaker. Not gonna do on feet for these just because, I don't know, you guys want to see on feet? If you want to see on feet, let me know. I'll probably do another sneaker weekly or weekly sneaker rotation very soon, because I have been pulling out a couple of gems out of the collection, man. You got like your nylon or like satin material on the inner of these shoes, man. Very dope, bro. Check out the Nike Air on the tongue, and regular cardboard shoe tree right here. And on the inside, you got your white and black insole with that Nike Air right there, as you can see. Honestly, I didn't expect too much with this one right here, but like I said, the quality is pretty nice. The toe box area is pretty plush right here, as you can see. Very nice. And then even on the outer panel of this sneaker, you guys will see the tumbleness of the leather, which you guys will see in the B-roll. Came with black laces. I'm trying to think what other laces Jay had put in these. I'm not too sure, but I'm probably gonna rock out with like some white laces or these black laces, you feel me? But I do think that white will make these joints pop, man. So I might do an on feet for this video. Like I said, I do know for sure that I will be dropping a weekly sneaker rotation to show you guys what heat I've been pulling out, what sneakers I've been rocking to the gym, going to the grocery store, and different stuff like that. You guys stay tuned for that video. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you picked up a pair of these Air Jordan 1 women's tie-dyes. I know during a live cop, a lot of people was taking L's. Foot Locker was tripping, Sneakers app was tripping, pretty much every single site was tripping around this release, man. As we've been seeing recently, bro, everything has been selling out. Everything is super hard to get. Everybody's blaming it on bots, blaming it on resellers. Hey, but at the end of the day, man, it's just a lot of traffic. A lot of people been wanting to buy sneakers during this quarantine, which is very puzzling to me. So let me know down below in the comment section, did you pick these joints up or no? Thank you guys for pulling up to my unboxing. Not my recent sneaker pickup, but it's the newest addition to the collection, if that makes sense. I've been waiting almost a whole month for these shoes, and I paid for 2 days shipping. It's crazy. USPS, you need to work on some things, you feel me? Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boy. Sub up to my second channel. We will be going live tonight over there. Might play some 2K, might play some COD, one of the two. But like I said, that's part of the giveaway rules if you want to win a free pair of Yeezy 350 V2 Yeez rules, man. And also make sure you follow me over on Instagram at The Vintage World. It'll be linked down below in the description box. We're going live on Friday and Saturday for the live cops of both the Grateful Dead and Air Jordan 12 University Golds, and the off-white 4s on that following Saturday, man. So make sure that notification bell is on. I need everybody to pull up. We need some good luck. We need some good omen spread across the whole vintage squad, you feel me? So make sure you're there bright and early when the live cop starts. Thank you guys for pulling up. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.